Hey everyone, want to earn a passive income with your crypto? Today I'll show you how to stake crypto using the Ledger Live safely and easily. Let's dive in. First, open the Ledger Live app and connect to your Ledger device. Tap the accounts, then add account and choose a crypto that supports staking like Tezos, Solana, Ethereum, and more. And follow the on-screen steps to sync your wallet. Then here in the step 2, all you need to do is to go to the Earn tab. Once your account is added, go to the Earn section in the left menu. And here you'll see the all available staking options. You can select the coin you want to stake or click stake for start earning. Then in step 3, choose a validator or validator pool. Ledger recommends trusted options, but you can pick manually too. Enter the amount you want to stake, then confirm with your device. And that's it. Your crypto stays secure, your ledger, while it earns. And that's how you stay crypto with the Ledger Live. Passive income, no stress. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and down a comment if you want tutorials on unstaking, reward tracking, and more. Thanks for watching.